Hello friends, in this video we will be seeing a lot of jobs available in different states. As you can see here, different state, different vacancies, how you can apply and what is the platform and how you can get a job in this video. But before I begin, I welcome you all to Wi-Fi se Study Karo. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe so that you will not miss any updates, where I do daily editorials of Hindu newspaper, also Indian Express, and I do job updates and interesting facts and also some technical things. This is a National Career Service. This is official site of Government of India. This is recognized by Government of India. It comes under Ministry of Labor and Employment. As you can see, this is the home page of the National Career Services. These are different vacancies or different job vacancies of different states. As you can see, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep. These are the different vacancies. And this is the official website. All you need to do is register here, login if you are registered. Otherwise, just register here, new user, sign up, and you will be intimated through your skill. Let's see what are the different vacancies. And also there are three sectors here, states and union territories, sectors and others. If you just click on one fine thing, let's say if you want some vacancies, as you can see, if I click here, 15142 vacancies are available right now in Andhra Pradesh. You just click here. I'm opening a new window. If you just scroll down, as you can see, there are different vacancies available in Andhra Pradesh. This is PHP developer, and moreover you can have to specify your educational qualifications in this portion. This is a BTech or some IT sector, which sector you want the job vacancies available. So this is a web portal where every job vacancies will be available from this one portal. Let's see, if I click BTech here, it is like this, and it will be refreshing and you will be taken to that particular post. As you can see, there are fresher jobs here, job description, and fresher graduate with good communications. So just click BTech for civil engineering. The same is the post. This is vacancies. And if you just click on sectors, this is what agriculture related, civil and construction related, education related, finance and insurance, health, hotel. The different sectors, IT and communication. You can just see power and energy also available, public administration and defense, real estate, specialized professional services. If you just click IT and communications, what will happen? Let's see. So we have selected BTech civil engineering in the previous thing. So you can see here, fresher engineer, civil engineering. This is a salary package, and these are all different vacancies which are right now available. As you can see here, posted date also available. See, this is posted on 26/7/2010. So you can apply depending on the posted date also. So this is job posted in this web portal is 26/7/2020. The job required is, the location is Gujarat. Here we have opted for sectors. So by this way you can opt for different vacancies also. Let's see any manufacturing sector vacancies here. See, this is the manufacturing sector vacancies. This is regarding TRDP Happy World Private Limited, some of the manufacturing sectors. This is regarding the chartered account, and also you can click on here apply, so that you will be directed to that post. Now we'll see transportation and storage. As you can scroll down, the posted date of this job is 25/7/2020. This is senior section engineering, and also you can sort it out, is it for freshers or for experienced or for more experienced persons. You can click on here so that you will be directed to that page, what is your need of that page. By this way you can apply for different sectors Please do subscribe. If you have any doubts, please comment so that I will give reply to every comment. Thank you. Please do subscribe, share this with your friends.